When we talk about exotic pet birds, the first thing that comes to mind is probably a parrot with its bright colors, long tail, and large beak. What if I told you could also own one of these beauties? Go ahead, take another look at this peach of a bird. While parrots come in different colors, there are several other pet birds that you can own as exotic pets. Each type comes with a unique personality, song, and appearance. Although these birds may not be as common as cats or dogs, they make for wonderful companions. Given time, they'll grow on you, and some are intelligent enough to learn commands and sometimes speak words. In this video, we'll be presenting 25 beautiful exotic birds you can own as pets. Hello and welcome to another awesome episode of Nexus Birds English. If you want to know why this bird was named after Dracula, I suggest you stick around for our number 1 pick. Alright, let's get to it. Number 25, Victoria Crown Pigeon. The Victoria Crown Pigeon is a beautiful, unique, large bird that is surprisingly gentle and easy to tame. These birds are a member of the pigeon family and happen to be the largest of them all. They can grow up to 29 inches long, about the size of a turkey, and weigh as much as 5 pounds. Their plumage is generally deep blue-gray with a small black mask on their heads, and they have crimson irises on their eyes. These generally ground-dwelling birds were named in honor of the British Queen, Queen Victoria. Although they are heavy birds and stick to the ground, they have no problem flying to a tree for safety. Their crazy headgear distinguishes them from other pigeons. Raising this bird needs a wide space to live and roam freely, as they're not birds that can be caged up. These rare birds are definitely a conversation starter. Number 24, Golden Conures. You may or may not have heard of these smaller birds called the Queen of Bavaria, but these large, colorful, striking birds with their bright yellow and green feathers are such a sight to behold. Originally from northeastern Brazil, these birds have been caught and sold to all parts of the world. These beautiful and popular pet birds have had so many of them captured, making them reduced in population and extremely hard to get your hands on in the pet market today. Therefore, they've become uncommon to find in homes or captivity. If you want to buy one of these, you must be ready to pay top dollar for them. Golden Conures are social birds and require a lot of interaction with their owners. They can dance, be very chatty and lively, and even cough. Number 23, Rainbow Lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet is one of the most colorful species that can be kept as a pet. These sweet-natured, vibrantly colored, long-lived, medium-sized parrots are busybodies that like to be in the center of all the action. They are native to northern Queensland to southern Australia, living in the rainforest trees, woodlands, and bushes. Rainbow lorikeets are sweet, affectionate birds known for their comical antics and friendly personas. Generally, they are easily sociable and value interaction with their owners. They are highly intelligent birds that can learn a few tricks and pick up some lines. Being such smart birds, they have a reputation for being capable escape artists, so cage door locks are a must. Overall, these birds make for excellent pet birds but require a great deal of attention. Number 22, Archangel Pigeon. Of all the pigeon species in the world, the Archangel Pigeon is the most exotic and most adorable. Archangel pigeons are an ancient breed, but it's hard to trace their origin. However, many believe that they must have originated from an area now occupied by Croatia. They are small to medium-sized birds that, when fully grown, weigh only 400 grams. These birds were bred as show birds, hence their peculiar look, which is still used in the show business. Even if you're not looking to enter breeding shows with the Archangel Pigeon, you could still have them as pets, as they are one tremendous pet if you want an exotic bird with ancient history. Number 21, Kea. Unlike many other exotic birds native to jungles and warmer regions like the Amazon rainforest, this parrot lives in the cold and challenging alpine region of New Zealand. Its name, Kea, was given due to the Kea sound of its cry and call. Along with being a cold-weather parrot, Kea is quite an intelligent bird, but when I say quite, I mean it's very intelligent for a bird. On average, a Kea weighs about 2 pounds and is approximately 19 inches in length. So if you're lucky enough to own one of these rare and endangered birds, you have one brainy bird on your hands. Number 20, Black Palm Cockatoos. Cockatoos are exotic birds that you've probably already seen with several different species, but the black palm cockatoos are the rarest and biggest of the lot. All cockatoos possess distinct feathers that stick out from the top of their heads, their crest. There are a range of different colors for black palm cockatoos. Their crests are usually very smoky gray in color, just like their feet and legs. The black palm cockatoo is native to Australia, just like other species. Although they can be a good pet, don't expect them to be as affectionate as other parrots. They require a lot of patience and time to be tamed and trained, even though they are an intelligent breed. Their vocal ability is very suited for learning words and they make human-like sounds, including their signature hello. And they also happen to be very good drummers. Number 19, Hyacinth Macaws. Next, we've got another exotic bird, which is also the largest flying parrot. Hyacinth Macaws, or the Blue Macaw, are gentle giants and are a delight to look at because of their flashy appearance and social disposition. These parrots, like every other parrot, rely on their beak a lot. Owning one of these adorable birds has been regarded as a full-time adventure, as they require a lot of attention and commitment. That being said, macaws are social, charming, and chatty birds, and they won't even need your help with their bath at some point. Number 18, Golden Blue Macaws. From their name, one would imagine these are offspring of a golden and blue macaw. Well, they're not, only for a couple of reasons. 1. There are no golden macaws, we only have the golden-colored macaw. And secondly, golden blue macaws got their common name from their two most prominent colors. Typically, these birds have green foreheads fading into a teal blue, covering the back, tail, nape, and wings, while their chest and the underside of their wings and bellies are a bright golden yellow. They are intelligent birds that are capable of nailing the British accent. Their sociability and sweet disposition make them great pets, and their niftiness, willingness to learn, and talking ability is a plus. Number 17, Green Aracari. Being the smallest of the toucan family, the green Aracari weighs only about 125 grams, and their overall length from beak to tail is only 2.5 inches. They are found in northern South American countries like Venezuela, Colombia, Suriname, and Ghana. Generally, green Aracaris are one of the few species of toucans that is dimorphic. The males have a black head and neck, whereas the females have a chestnut-brown head and neck. They have a serrated beak that helps them in gripping fruits and preventing them from falling down off their long beak. The green Aracaris are very friendly, lovable birds that qualify as excellent pets. On top of that, they relate with other pets in the house really well. Number 16. Peacocks. These are birds you can opt to own as pets if you're up for the challenge and rigors associated with giving them the care they need. They need room and lots of care. Peafowls are beautiful birds that can make a stunning addition to your yard. Having one as a pet requires more than just admiring their plumage, and since they're also an endangered species, we wouldn't encourage you to get one. That being said, the most ideal species of the peacock to have as a pet is the blue peafowl because they are more adaptable, less wild, and less aggressive than the other two species. As I've earlier stated, peacocks cannot be house-trained. They'll fail obedience school on the first day and have no problem wandering off, searching for food. If you then feel you can deal with all these excesses, get one. Number 15. Sun conures. Sun conures, or sun parakeets, are medium-sized birds from northeast South America. They measure about 30 centimeters and cannot be visually told apart sexually. Their males and females don very brightly colored yellow crown, mantle, and nape, as well as chest and wing feathers, with face and belly being orange and red feathers around the ears. These birds could be hostile with other birds, but they are best kept in pairs. These birds are chatterboxes, and their cute shenanigans will leave you smiling from ear to ear. Sun conures are very noisy birds, some don't really like strangers. On the bright side, they make for excellent guard birds. Number 14. Scarlett Macaw. The national bird of Honduras, these big birds with red, blue, and yellow plumage are pleasing to the eyes and make wonderful pets. They are very intelligent, social, and learn fast. However, they could get aggressive and make very annoying screeching sounds. Other than that, they're very cute and get extremely attached to their owners, which is why they crave their owner's attention and make loud noises. Words like hi, wow, or even other pet names aren't a problem for these guys. They can learn simple tricks and imitate sounds and develop a vocabulary of up to 10 words. Number 13. Australian King Parrot. The Australian king parrots are the only parrots with an entire red head. Their royal appearance is completed by deep forest green wings and purple tail feathers for the male, while the females have slight color variations. Furthermore, they are a popular pet in their homeland, with their popularity spreading to all parts of the world. Thanks to their calm personality, unique and vibrant look, and great intelligence, they are a highly sought-after breed. One thing that stands out with these birds is that they are less noisy than other exotic parrots. That being said, they're very social, cool, and will join you in singing or chatting, but they're not much of a talking bird. Number 12. Golden-collared macaw. If you feel the regular-sized parrots would be an issue for you to raise, or prefer things that come in small packages, then the golden-collared macaw, or mini macaw, is the bird for you. Like their larger counterparts, mini macaws are native to the South American continent. They're basically everything you get from the large macaw, only in a smaller body. These goofy, affectionate, and smart birds are friendly and close bonding companions with a showy look. They will even eat your face if they love you enough. Given just about the right amount of love and care, they'll reach a lengthy lifespan of 50 years. Number 11. Toucans. These brightly colored, long-billed birds are so pleasing to the eyes. In the wild, toucans love to eat fruits and some small animals for some protein. They love to live freely without any restrictions and are very loud. In fact, they are the world's loudest birds, so they're not ideal pets for those who live in condominiums and rented apartments. In addition, they don't do well in busy households with lots of people and other pets. When provided with a proper feeding schedule and lots of room in a relatively quiet house, they can be lovely and are rarely destructive. Number 10. Tarakos. When hand-reared from an early age, Tarakos can be hand-tamed, but even this doesn't guarantee that they'll be tolerant of humans naturally. These sub-Saharan African native birds are aggressive towards humans, don't like to be touched, and are messy. Barring all that, Tarakos are just as expressive as parrots, with each bird having its unique personality. Add that to their beautiful feathers and unique crest, and you've got yourself an amazing bird. Number 9. Mandarin Ducks. If you're more of a duck person, this is your bird. Brightly colored and adorable, Mandarin ducks are for sure one to keep. As with all ducks, the male is the showier and more colorful of both sexes. Their plumage is a beautiful combination of brown iridescent red, orange, green, and more. They are generally neater than domestic ducks and relatively less noisy. Instead of the usual quacks, these guys make little whistling quacks. They're originally found in eastern China, southeastern Russia, North Korea, South Korea, and Japan. However, these birds are not easily tameable. In most cases, people who keep them only have them for ornamental or breeding purposes. Number 8. Siamese Fireback Pheasants. The Siamese Fireback, or Dyard's Fireback, as they are often called, are Southeast Asian endemic and can be found in the lowland forest of Laos, Cambodia, eastern Thailand, and north to Vietnam. Being the national bird of Thailand, they're ranked as one of the 10 most wanted bird species in Thailand. Like the Mandarin ducks, it's the male with the most striking appearance, most notably their unusually long crest of purple-black feathers, which could be as long as 9 centimeters and becomes erect when the bird is excited. They have bright red facial wattles, gray with white and black streak wings, and red legs and feet. They are relatively easier to get, but the real work lies in caring for them. 7. Owls. Although many stories portray them as wise and loyal, owls are not suitable for captivity. They are solitary, antisocial birds that may not thrive in human environments. They are often illegal to own as pets, and their unique dietary requirements make them uncommon as pets. 6. Finches. These social birds are best kept in groups and are fun to watch and listen to, even though they don't talk. They make pleasant beeping noises and are ideal for those who want a feathered pet without the challenges of owning a parrot. 5. Lady Amherst Pheasant. Named after Lady Amherst, these ornamental birds have striking feather colors, with a long, impressive tail that makes up 80% of their body length. They have yellow eyes, blue or gray feet, and are popular among ornamental chicken hobbyists. 4. Golden Pheasant, the close cousin of the Lady Amherst. These birds are equally beautiful and are often considered the most beautiful birds in the world. Males sport brilliant gold and red plumage and make excellent pets if you have the space and resources. 3. Pesquet's Parrot, also known as the Dracula parrot. These rare and exotic birds are endemic to New Guinea. They are distinct for their black color, featherless faces, and bright red feathers on their wings and belly, which give them a vampire-like appearance. Dracula parrots are truly exotic and unique pets. 2. Rose-breasted cockatoo. The rose-breasted cockatoo, also known as the galah, is a charming parrot with distinctive pink plumage on its chest, face, and crest, contrasting beautifully with a pale gray body. These birds are native to Australia and are known for their friendly and affectionate nature. Galahs are highly intelligent and enjoy social interactions with their human companions, making them excellent pets for those seeking a loving avian friend. They may not talk as much as some other parrot species, but their playful antics and endearing personalities more than make up for it. If you're looking for a delightful and beautiful pet parrot, the rose-breasted cockatoo is a fantastic choice. Number 1. American Crow. While American crows are highly intelligent and resourceful birds, they are not typically considered pet parrots. Crows are wild birds and are protected by laws in many places, making them illegal to keep as pets without the necessary permits. Additionally, crows have specific dietary and habitat requirements that can be challenging to meet in a domestic setting. So, while crows are fascinating and intelligent birds, they are not typically ranked as number 1 among pet parrot species. And that's a wrap for our list of the top 25 beautiful exotic pet birds you can own as pets. If you found this video informative and entertaining, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your fellow bird enthusiasts. If you want more amazing content about birds, exotic pets, and the fascinating world of avian companions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Nexus Birds English. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.